Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to see your unread chats on WhatsApp using the desktop app. With this handy feature, you can quickly find and focus on messages that need your attention. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp app installed on your PC and that you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your computer. This will bring up your chat list, displaying all your recent conversations. Step 2. Look for the filter icon at the top of the chat screen. You'll find it right next to the search bar. The icon resembles a small funnel. Easy to spot. Step 3. Click on the filter icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Unread. And just like that, your chat list will now show only conversations with unread messages. This feature is incredibly useful when you're juggling multiple chats and want to prioritize the ones you haven't seen yet. To go back to your regular chat view, simply click on the filter icon again and choose All. This will restore your full list of conversations. This new update makes managing your WhatsApp chats so much easier, especially when you're short on time or trying to stay organized. No more scrolling endlessly to find unread messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.